You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these phrases in English. If you want to learn how to pronounce the contraction of this phrase, make sure to stay tuned. I've got the exact video you're looking for, pronounced in English as we well. We well. English pronunciation. How to pronounce we well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.